Hey guys, welcome back to Mindy's Monthly Marketing Tips. Hey guys, welcome back to Mindy's Monthly Marketing Tips. This is Starfish's monthly segment where we talk about tips, tricks, and just general marketing advice to help you market your business online. This time, we're going to talk about AI, specifically generative AI, and how it can be used to help market your business or how it should be even used at all. AI is a bit of a hot topic right now, and for a good reason. Platforms like Jasper, ChatGPT, DALL-E 2, and even Google's brand new AI Bard are revolutionizing how content is created. But is it right for your business? Unfortunately, there's no easy yes or no answer, but let's break it down. First, before we can discuss if utilizing AI is the right move for your business, we have to know what AI even is. AI stands for artificial intelligence, and Wikipedia describes it as the theory and development of computer systems able to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. So AI can be a pretty broad term. And today we're looking specifically at generative AI. Generative AI is a type of artificial intelligence that focuses more on the creative side of things. It can be used to create new content, including audio, video, code, images, text, and much more. These programs utilize deep learning algorithms to help create unique content rather than relying on human input alone. So how does this benefit marketers? Well, by allowing a computer to create content for you rather than coming up with it yourself, you're able to save a lot of time. Time is precious in the ever-changing world, and any chance to save time is worth looking into. This allows your creative team more time to be, well, creative. Cutting down on time spent on tedious tasks means your team has more time to try more ambitious projects and really spend time on the tasks that actually matter. AI can also help combative creative fatigue and burnout. All creatives have been there at some point and will all be there again. You feel like you've fallen into a rut. You keep making the same type of graphic or writing the same article, and it feels like you've really lost your creative spark. AI platforms like Ad Creative AI or ChatGPT can help. Ad Creative AI was made specifically with marketers in mind. This platform creates unique ad creative in seconds. All you need to do is fill in the blanks. ChatGPT is another platform that is currently taking the world by storm. ChatGPT is a conversational AI that answers prompts that you give it. Ask it to write captivating headlines, develop new ideas for a YouTube video, or even ask it to debug a code. The possibilities with ChatGPT are endless. Not only can AI help generate ideas when your creative juices are running thin, but these ideas are often based on historical data of the successful campaigns that have come before. So rest assured that these new ideas aren't just being pulled from thin air. They're being created and compiled with the knowledge of what works and what doesn't. Now, all of this said, no good thing comes without a downside, and AI is no stranger to shortcomings. AI is still relatively new and constantly developing technology, so it can and it will make mistakes. This means that you still need human input to monitor it and make sure that whatever is generated, it is actually correct. After all, an AI is only as good as the data that it is trained on. If the data contains errors or false information, the AI will generate content with errors and false information, which leads us to another issue with AI. While AI is often lauded an unbiased source of content, that may not actually be the case. AI is actually rather easy to manipulate, and while that may be exactly what you want in some ways, this level of influence is only good when it's in the right hands. Take Tay, for example. Tay AI was a Twitter bot Microsoft unveiled as an experiment in conversational understanding. Users were encouraged to chat with Tay to see how she learned to engage through casual and playful conversation. Unfortunately, however, this bot went from peaceful and playful to racist and misogynistic in less than a day. So it should go without saying that AI still needs to be moderated on the back end, and users on the front end should make sure to vet what was just generated before posting it for the entire world to see. And that leads us to what is probably the biggest controversy surrounding generative AI right now. With AI able to create images and write entire blogs in seconds, people are worried about how this affects artists and creatives in the field. With the use of platforms like DALL-E 2 and Midjourney, users are able to mimic individual artists' style. Famous artist Simon Stålenhag was one such victim. A Midjourney user was able to prompt its AI into creating images that replicated Stålenhag's distinctive style. Stålenhag was unamused and let the world know his opinions on AI artwork. He said it basically takes lifetimes of work by artists without consent and uses that data as the core ingredient in a new type of pastry that can sell at profit with the sole aim of enriching a bunch of yacht owners. Text-to-image platforms are under heat from artists. Many artists are alarmed that their artwork is being used to train AI without their knowledge or their consent. These platforms are even starting to copy artists' signatures within their pieces. And this brings up another concern surrounding copyright laws. What are the legal ramifications of training AI programs on thousands or even millions of copies of copyrighted work? This is still a developing topic, and there are no solid answers as of yet. One thing we do know, however, is that a recent ruling made it clear that AI-generated images cannot be copyrighted since they were made without significant human input. So, as we've said, AI is far from perfect, and marketers should really consider if they want to use it and how it can be used in an ethical manner. Depending on how it's used, AI can be a powerful tool or it can be a devastating weapon. But at the very least, it's something to keep your eye on. So what do you think about AI? Do the benefits of using these platforms outweigh the many concerns? Is AI too powerful, or is it simply a tool that has nothing to do with moral values? Either way, the topic of AI is broad and we've only barely scratched the surface. But if you would like to talk about AI more, please be sure to let us know in the comments below. And like always, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to more of this content, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.